Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm sharing with you how I make my simple goat's meat pepper soup. So guys, in this recipe you can use any leftover meat that you have in your refrigerator, or you can use any meat of your choice. Okay, so please guys, don't go anywhere and enjoy the video to the end. You understand me? So guys, I simmer my meat with ginger, garlic, salt, and also I use goat cube. You can use any spices that you prefer. It doesn't matter. And like I said in the previously, this soup is very simple. You understand? You can use any leftover things that you have, any ingredients you have in your kitchen. You don't need to rush to the market if you don't want to. Okay, it's very simple. This is a soup that you just feel like eating something, then you rush to your kitchen, then you just do it. Okay guys, just enjoy yourself.